Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on how to easily create cul-de-sacs using civil site design on BricsCAD. Start by opening BricsCAD and loading your drawing. Head over to the Roads tab, then click on Network Strings and select the cul-de-sac option. Click on the location in your plan where you want to place the cul-de-sac, tying it into any specific road. A settings window will pop up automatically, allowing you to customize the cul-de-sac. First, give your cul-de-sac a unique name for easy identification. Then, define the incoming road by clicking on this button to select the road it will be connected to. You can choose from various cul-de-sac types such as circular, central, asymmetrical, straight T, curved T, or any alignment style that suits your project. Next, define the start chainage by clicking the button to specify it on the road plan. You can also set the radius of the cul-de-sac to match your design specifications. Once you click Create Alignment, the profile will automatically adjust to fit the shape and elevation of the road it connects to. And of course, you can edit the surface display by accessing the Surface Manager for additional refinements. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to create a cul-de-sac in your road plan using civil site design on BricsCAD. Whether it's a simple circular layout or a custom shape, the process is smooth and efficient. Ready to get started? Contact us today to try BricsCAD and civil site design for free and elevate your road designs with ease.